Hello grade 5s and welcome back. Today we will be discussing flow diagrams again. This is part 2. The disclaimer. The work to be done during this PowerPoint and video presentation covers the work for Term 1 Mathematics in grade 5. Proudly brought to you by Miss Jessica Ras. So firstly we have the input. Then you get the rule and then you get your output. So you will be using your rule on your input to give you your output. So the first one, we have 5 as our input. The rule is to times that by 2 and then to times that new number by 7. So let's firstly do the first rule, which is times by 2. So what is 5 times 2? 5 times 2 give you the answer of 10. Now we get 6. 6 times 2 gives you the answer of 12. 4 times 2 gives you the answer of 8. And then 3 times 2 gives you the answer of 6. Now we take those new numbers and we're going to times it by 7 to give us the final answer and is also our output. Okay, 10 times 7 is 70. 12 times 7 is 84. 8 times 7 is 56. And 6 times 7 is 42. The new example. We have the input of 8. Now the new rule is to times it by 3 and then times it by 4 to give us the final output. What is 8 times 3? 24. What is 5 times 3? 15. 6 times 3? 18. And 2 times 3 is 6. Now we take the new numbers and times it by 4. 24 times 4 is 96. 15 times 4 is 60. 18 times 4 is 72. And the last one, 6 times 4 is 24. So we have our output numbers. The next example. We have the input of 3. The rule is to add 3 and times it by 4. What is 3 plus 3? It is 6. What is 5 plus 3? It is 8. What is 6 plus 3? 9. And 2 plus 3 is 5. Now we take the new numbers and times it by 4. What is 6 times 4? 24. 8 times 4? 32. 9 times 4? 36. And 5 times 4 is 20. The last example that we will be looking at has the input of 3. The rule is to times it by 4 this time and then to add the 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. And 2 times 4 is 8. Take the new numbers and add 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. 20 plus 3 is 23. 24 plus 3 is 27. And 8 plus 3 is 11. Please write the heading and the date in your books. So the heading is activity 4. You will be doing number 1 until number 2 on page 25. Then please draw a line and do check what you know. New heading and date number 1 until number 2 on page 27. This is the virtual schooling rules. Thank you so much, guys. Please remember to write everything that is on the slides in your books.